Hey, good morning. Today we will launch our new range of product that is quite new in our segment to our existing portfolio. That is a air quality monitor device that will be launched for everyone, and soon it will be available on Amazon. So prior to launch, we will share some experience with you and how it works and what is the features inside it and how to operate it. It's just a curtain raiser of our new product. So let's start. This is our new product, that is air quality monitor. You can see there is a display and there is an indicator, and in back panel that is there is one power connector, the sensors, and that's it. And it's made with a high quality of polycarbonate products, and mm, it's quite simple and looks elegant as you can see here, and it comes with your this dedicated power adapter. That's the wall. So we'll first of all we'll take the measurement for this. It is about to 4 inch in height, and you can, if you can see the diameter, it is around to 62 centimeters diameter, sorry, 62 millimeters in diameter. So what are the features inside it? It's a basically air quality monitor. It can monitor your indoor air quality, so you need not to worry about how polluted air you are intaking with your breath, and it can be placed in your home, in your office, and everything. And it's quite a simple device and looks elegant. It can show the display in its display that how much polluted air you are taking and what is the present air conditions. So before you starting, we just go by the feature. What is the feature? Once is the display of air quality, and second is it can display your indoor temperature, humidity, and third one is it can display the real time of your calendar and real time clock, and last but not the least, that is your custom message. You can configure any of your message inside it, so we can do it for you. We can update this and show your custom message, and it's totally future proof. It can be updated within through internet, and we will release the firmware, that means software, for this in every 3 months, and it will get automatically updated when it is connected to internet. It have the capability to connect in Wi-Fi. So this is a dump feature, you can see, and we'll just plug it on and let's see what it happens and how to configure. We'll see it. So before if plugging, you check that switch supplied adapter, that is 5-volt adapter you need. And for every new purchase, the device will come with the adapter. So we just plugged the adapter on DC socket and connecting on the wall socket. Just plugged in. This device can work through online and offline in both mode. You can see it is displaying the air quality monitor. The Sri Creations is our parent company that is showing that's device serial number and firmware, and its device is booting now. I just put my hand on the LED so that you can see the display very well. So right now we are operating in offline mode. The device is not connected with the internet. We'll show later on that how to connect with the internet with the device. So first we are checking in offline mode. During the booting time, it will simulate the air condition and just take the reading and make it stabilize. After that it will boot. The device sensors are behind the device. You can see the sensor is warming, and we are just waiting for the sensor when the sensor is being ready. Yeah, it started. There is temperature, there is humidity. There is the custom message you can write your own through our by mailing us or by made a request with your near and with your data, and that data means your names and the message also. So what we can see right now, the air quality is 42, that is good. Temperature is 26.7 and humidity is 70%. And the your custom message. That device is currently operating in offline mode. That's why the date and time is not coming. And in offline mode, it is well working, but you can't see that current date and time, and the software update portion is missing. Now I just put out the hand, lift the hand from the device. The air quality is 42, that is good. The indicator, this indicator will change and show you the how much polluted air you are intaking. So it is good, that's why it is green. It will then if air quality is between 50 to 100, it will turn in blue, and 100 to 150 it will turn in pink, it will turn in amber, and it's above 200 to 300 it will turn on pink, and above 300 to onwards it will turn in red. So the device is currently operating in offline mode. So we'll see how to operate and how to configure in online mode. So let's start it. So before get it online, we need to reboot once for initial configurations, and you need a phone or any device that is that has Wi-Fi enabled. This device will turn on Wi-Fi access point mode. That means Wi-Fi router mode when it will turn on, and there if there is configuration is not there. So we'll reboot the device and let's start configuring it. I just turning it off and again turning it on. And in my mobile, I just I just switch on the Wi-Fi mode. You can see there is two access points are showing air quality monitor and VFix technology. VFix technology is our internet connection in router, and air quality monitor is that device. That device is radiating the Wi-Fi access point. So we will connect to air quality monitor to get it configured. So it's connected, and there is showing the sign into network. We'll just tap on this sign into Wi-Fi network. The air quality monitor configuration page is opened. Now we need to just configure the Wi-Fi inside the air quality monitor. So we just press on configure Wi-Fi and wait. Yeah, that available network is showing that WeFix technology is our existing Wi-Fi connection, Wi-Fi internet connection. We just tap on this and put the password. So I am putting the password. We have put it the password and just tap on save. Saving credentials. We'll just see that if there is any change or not. Yes, the air quality is showing 41, that is good. Temperature is showing, humidity is showing. Here it goes. It's come with the date, time, and custom message. You can see again it will be repeating. Air quality, temperature, humidity, today's date, and time. So whenever it's connect to internet, it will fetch the time from internet and show you the display. And it is required, no, it need not to require the all time the Wi-Fi is on. It will required only at the booted time. After that, if Wi-Fi is get disconnected, it will still show the current date and time. And about the data consumption, it can consume up to 500 kb. That is very little in the sense of today's data consumption ratio. That is less than 500 kb in the whole day. And more than that, if your internet is offline after it's getting connected, it will still shows the your date and time. So not need to worry about that. Now I will demo you the performance test of these things. So before starting the performance, I will just featuring one thing is that there is the sensors, and this display is turning in blue. That means your air quality is changed right now. Let's see, it's 50, that is green, and it's now we will do the performance test. I think you are getting the proper view. Okay. So first of all, we do the breathing test. I'm just breathing on sensors. You can see after breathing, device turns on blue, and that is 66. That means there is a rise of carbon dioxide. That's why it is showing polluted and the device turned in blue. Now we'll make some more noise. That means make some more pollution, and let's check. We will put some ammonia to check its performance. Here we are. It's moderate, showing 129 is the air quality index that you can rise, and we just removed the ammonia gases from there. It is turning again in satisfactory. That means the clean air is passing through the sensors, and it's returning its own state. So let's wait some times. And let me brief about the custom message. You can send us a request with your custom message, and we can just write it to you, and that is specially customized for you only. Nobody can change. And yes, if you need to change on future, you can do a simple request to us, and we will make it for available for you. We'll just update the custom firmware for you, and it will be updated with your existing device. So for updating the firmware, you need to share us something, that is the device serial number that can be obtained on from the booting screen, and there's firmware version also shows in that screen. You can see that the firmware version, and later on that is device serial number, and share us with your custom message. We'll make it available for you. And if you have a plan, right, just for an example, if you have a plan to surprise your spouse on her birthday or on your anniversary date, we can make it available for you. And on this special occasion, the device will greet you and show your custom message. So let's make your next performance test with smoke. We will generate some smoke by burning the paper and just look how the air quality has been changed. The smoke is with. Now let's check the how the polluted air. The sensor is can take up to 3 to 4 minutes time to get gather some data, and it will show you the satisfactory right now. That means it is not green. You can see the air quality is showing poor, and this is amber. That is moderate, and again I will put some more smoke on it to show you just for demonstration purpose only. Let's check. That is moderate still. So I don't have the sulfur and other hydrocarbons, so it will show on any toxic gas. If any toxic gas is present inside your home or near the device, it will show you the current pollution level, current air quality, and alert. You can alert and you can do your necessary steps regarding this. Now the device is again turning on, returning back to its old. I just opened my window so that some fresh air can enter and reduce the indoor pollution level. Now, what are the future scope? The future scope with the device, you can number one, you can send your custom message with, and you can write your custom message, and it can work as a table dock or your desktop gadget, a nicely useful gadget. Where to buy? We'll launch this device on Amazon, exclusively on Amazon, and it will be launched by next 2 to 3 days. Till there is some taxations and some legal things are going on, and once it is sorted out, it will launch on Amazon soon. And what about this warranty and after sale service? It will comes with a 1 year limited warranty, and after sale service, yes, we are available till the time that till the time you hold the device and you own the device. You can send it to us for service, and we can also we can also update with remotely. Also we can diagnose the device and what is the performance issue and what are the problems, and we can sort it out through online. And in any case, if the device need to be repaired by its hardware level, we can arrange that. So no need to worry, this is a totally future proof device, and you will get the service till you own the device. So that's all. If you have any questions, please post in our comment section and let us know, and let us know about the feedback and how it is look and feel, and any questions, any queries, any suggestions, all are welcome. Till then, it's goodbye and thank you for watching. Bye.